Phishing is one of the biggest security threats facing businesses today. And while public awareness has stemmed the tide, phishing remains one of the top cybercrimes. In fact, federal agencies are being required to implement phishing-resistant MFA, and your business should too. A hacker could take over your account and steal data, install ransomware, or even cause supply chain fraud. Typing dynamics is one form of phishing-resistant MFA. This behavioral biometric checks whether a password is entered correctly, but also takes into account how a person is using a device, the speed of their typing, how they hold a device, and more. Benefits include a better user experience, faster authentication, and improved security that keeps the hackers at bay. Achieve next-level MFA and help protect yourself from phishing. Contact Optimal IdM today.